Manchester Airport is the third busiest airport in the UK, with around 31 million passengers passing through the doors each year. So it's important that everyone is safe and security is paramount. Airport safety is really important. You've got to make sure that everyone that comes through that door is safe. We've been working with BEA for many years. We've fitted their products for a long time, but over the last 2 or 3 years, we've worked a little bit closer around innovation, field testing, and I've had some technical support and training. The main project that we've worked on is Manchester Airport.
We currently look after over 300 doors. That involves automatic doors and industrial doors. Safety is a massive factor with the automatic doors that we're involved with. So the ORASCAN, I would definitely say, since we've installed it at Terminal 2 and Terminal 3, has definitely made our life a lot easier. We had a team from Belgium come over and they literally walked us through the installation. The main feature on the ORASCAN has got to be the app, where you can literally open it up, Bluetooth it from your phone to the sensor, and you can see everything. You can see the motion, you can see what size and sensors you want to be protected on the door, whether it's the right hand side, the left hand side safety screens. You can even see the motion of a person inside the area. So the safety side of it is spot on. It makes me feel confident knowing that I'm working with the BEA ORASCANs, flat scans. I can literally go to an asset, install it. I literally have no issues, so I can walk away knowing that that asset is going to be working and offer a lot of protection to our passengers.
Manchester Airport have asked us to roll out BEA products on all doors, on all products. It's not just automatic doors, it's every industrial door and obviously barriers. We chose BEA because we have confidence in the products. We're confident that BEA are at the front of the game, and that obviously innovation is key for them, but also safety is paramount, and that's what we're all about. I would recommend the BEA solutions to all airports, all door companies, because it's the innovation, it's the future.
For the future of Manchester Airport, with regards to the BEA sensors, I would definitely say that we would be installing more. Yeah, it's definitely going to be a top seller here.
On a personal level, I'm quite proud of what the business does, and myself and BEA, we work together, and knowing that we're installing products that are keeping children, elderly people safe is paramount to us.